Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am here at the Breckwell booth and I am here to show you their brand new, this is the SW500. This is a super cute tiny stove, actually designed for tiny homes and small spaces. This is going to heat up to 1,000 square feet. Now this is going to be unique over some of the other stoves that are built for tiny homes because number one, it's going to be EPA approved. In addition to being EPA approved, it is tax credit qualified. So it is going to qualify for that 30% federal tax credit. In addition, this stove is UL listed, so insurance is not going to have any kind of issues with that, which is super important. A lot of the tiny home stoves are missing these certifications, so that's super important for you to know. Aesthetically, I think this is a beautiful little stove. It is going to have a 6-inch flue on it as well. It does also come with a cone that controls the draft, which is not located here because they're currently patent pending, but if you order this model, that will come with it as well. I'm gonna take you guys inside the firebox. Nice tight door latch. You do have a nice fully gasketed door here. It is a small little firebox. It holds an 11-inch log, but again, this is designed for a tiny home. Super cute. You do have your draft control located here at the bottom of the stove. It also has this nice little storage area below for your small little logs, so that's kind of handy to have as well. Look at how super cute this stove is. So there is a cone baffle system that comes in that sits in the flue collar. That's not going to be shown here with the stove right now because we're at a show. So 800 square feet, tax credit qualified. I'm going to show you guys inside. The latch mechanism is super easy to use and open. Fairly good sized glass door, nice thick gaskets. And here's going to be inside the firebox. So this is not brick, this is going to be a vermiculite baffle for inside the firebox. It's called refractory. It's a little bit different than solid fire brick. And it does have air tubes. Now something else I want to mention about this model, one single damper control, log storage. It does also have the option to add in a blower to the rear of the stove, which is really nice. A lot of these smaller stoves may not offer that blower option. And it does have the option to add in a cold air, fresh air intake as well to the rear of the stove. You can see this fresh air intake located right there. You can also see this plate. That is the knockout system for your blower. This is the Breckwell, the SW500 wood stove. I hope you guys found this product overview helpful. If you guys like these videos, please don't forget, give us that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.